Hello. So yesterday, I explored different distributed web technology and spent most of my time looking into the interplanetary interplanetary file system, and kind of came out around 2014. And it seems to be it's basically a protocol instead of HTTP. This is what should be used, or will probably be used, or something like it, um, for the distributed web. And I got it up and running on the Raspberry Pi 3, and had that node, or added the Raspberry Pi 3 as a node to the World Wide Web network of it, and was kind of exploring the documentation and checking out different YouTube videos and information around it. So today, what I would like to do is set up my own server for that. So what it seems is that you set up there's one server that all the nodes connect to just to notify that they're there, right? And then once you're in there, or once you're a node, you can then take a look at and see, all the other nodes, right? And it seems to be a bit of a problem. Well, maybe not a problem, but not the use case that I want, where I want to, once you can identify all the other nodes, you can also identify, all the files that node has, right? At least that's the default setting. And I want to change it so, um, you only know the nodes if they want to be visible, and you only know the files if those files want to be visible. So otherwise, you just don't know that they exist. I want to see if I can set it up that way. But regardless, I think it'd be kind of interesting, or the way I would like it designed is for the new economy to kind of have its own network. And so I was, they have information up there on how to set up the interplanetary file system, for that server. And so I was going to set up the server running that, so nodes can kind of connect to that, and I was going to open that server up to the world and then link that server to my URL. And yeah, so I'm going to see how far I get to that today. I have a computer that's an old laptop that's sitting around that I was going to install it on, and so I was going to put on a fresh operating system on it, a new Ubuntu, and clean that up just for this. And yeah, so I guess I'll check in tomorrow, and let you guys know how it's going. So have a good one.